Hi, we're about to hike Knox Mountain Apex Trail. Here is the start point right by the tennis court. So let's get on our way. This is a moderate hike with a 253-meter elevation gain. The length is about 4 kilometers long and takes an hour and a half to complete. When coming down Knox Mountain, there are many side trails and downhill bike trails as well. For geocachers, there are many geocaches littered along the trails of Knox Mountain. There is also a road that leads to the top if you would rather not hike from the bottom.